Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. So, on this Friday afternoon, evening, should I say, um, it's the end of the week. Everything was, crypto did well this week. Crypto did well. And Forex is doing well as well this week. So, let's get on to the news. Stocks. The stock market rallies on trade optimism. Global. E- I cannot speak today. Global markets surge as hopes for easing U.S. China trade tensions. China's Commerce Ministry acknowledged messages from Washington expressing a desire to restart trade discussions, signaling I think that's around here now, signaling a potential thaw in relations. This optimism drove gains across major indices, with the S&P 500 rising 1.5% and marking its ninth consecutive day of gains, the longest streak in 2025 so far. Oh, that was a bit much for me. Yeah. So let's move on to Forex. Let's move on to Forex. Forex U.S. dollar strengthens amid trade deal hopes. The U.S. dollar rallied, particularly against the Japanese yen, amid renewed optimism about potential trade deals with countries like China, India, South Korea, and Japan. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and economic advisor Kevin Hassett signaled progress in easing trade tensions. The Japanese yen dropped to a 4 week low after the Bank of Japan held interest rates steady and downgraded its growth outlook. How do my stuff always get messed up? I try to have all of this stuff set before. Oh no, it was just that one. It was just this one. Okay, cool. All right, on to big crypto. Again, Bitcoin nears 95,000. Altcoin ETFs on the horizon. Bitcoin approached 95,000, driven by increased institutional adoption and favorable market conditions. Analysts anticipate that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) may approve spot ETFs for altcoins like Solana, XRP, and Dogecoin in the coming months, potentially as soon as July 2nd. And this is this one. Yes. All right. Commodities. Gold prices dip on trade talk hopes. Gold prices slipped to a 2 week low as easing trade tensions between the U.S. and China reduced demand for safe haven assets. The anticipation of positive developments and trade discussions contributed to this decline. All right, so that's the news for this week, basically. Um, it was something that I wanted to look up. Uh, Others, altcoin. All right, so let's look at uh, let's look at that now. Total, or is it others? So ex, uh, this is all crypto, excluding um, Bitcoin and Ethereum, as you see, right around here. But I believe altcoins, others is yes, excluding the top 10. So I like to look at this one for altcoin season. So Definitely see some type of flag right in here. But what time frame? I actually already have it up there. So what time frame? Yeah, I think I have it on 6. So yeah, it's looking like altcoin's about to splurge again. It's about to break out again. All right, so let's look at S&P 500, SPX, SPY. It's all the same deal. I believe I said something about 7,000 in the coming weeks. Let's move on to here. Yeah, I remember I told you guys 7,000 was the TP around right there, 7,000. As you can see, 3 day. We have 2 more days left. However, the MACD is looking good. The MACD is looking good. We bust out of this trend line as well, and I believe this is either a 12 or 2 day trend line. All right, and then on to BTC. And last but not least, we have signals. We have signals. Okay, I got time. I got 6 minutes. In 6 minutes. Okay. Yeah, Bitcoin is going to 100. I mean, if you guys can see that, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Bitcoin is definitely going to 100. This is this red bar right here. All right. On to trade signals. Trade signals. Like I did last time, I will make shorts for all of these trades. All right, so moving on to I think it'll be faster to just go right here. CAD JPY. So we have a breakout on the 3 day. So next week, I would say Tuesday, the candle will close. What is it? Yeah, the candle closed on Tuesday, opens on Wednesday. So Tuesday night, definitely will be looking for an entry. Definitely looking for an entry Tuesday night for CAD JPY. I believe it's JPY as well. And it's still on the 3 day. This is not what I was looking for. Okay. So, same scenario. Same scenario. Oh, this is my live account. Okay. So, well, since we're here, so I definitely got in these trades a tad bit early. That's why I said that this week was a little rough. I got in these trades just a tad. I think I got in on Monday. I got in these trades. No, it wasn't Monday. I've been in these trades for 2 weeks. So yeah, it's been rough. It's been rough. But as you can see, price is starting to come back around. And yeah, so same deal. We're looking for a entry Tuesday night. All of Forex is going to be Tuesday night. EJ. Guess I can just do that. All right. So the breakout has already happened for EJ. Now what we should be looking for is an entry. You know, right now this is actually showing a reversal right there. This is definitely a reversal pattern starting. But I'm not doing no reversal. So it's looking like, how does a 2 hour look? Yeah, so it's definitely this is actually a good entry right around here. So Sunday you can get into this trade. Sunday you can get in this trade. Sunday will be a good entry. Sunday will be a good entry. Um, how does a daily look? The same. The same. So this fair value gap has been touched multiple times. It's been rejected multiple times. Right there as well. So yeah. Sunday is the entry for EJ. All right, GBP. Let me write this down. Sunday entry, and then Tuesday night entry. Oh, the game's on. Oh, I need to hurry up. GBP, GJ. So looks like EJ and GJ. Yeah, EJ and GJ is same price structure. So again, GJ is Sunday entry. You should be looking for an entry Sunday. I'm not saying get in. You should be looking for them. Again, this is not financial advice. So if you lose money, don't say it's because of me. I'm just trying to point you in the right direction. Of course, you always do your own research. This channel is just giving out signals. Now, if my signals don't line up with what you see, just simply don't get into it. All right, let's get back. Let's get back. All right, so we have Doge. You have Doge, 12-hour flag. You see it right there, 12-hour flag. So this is so we got 14 minutes left. Now, if price does come down, it'll try to grab this fair value gap that's in here. But I highly doubt it goes down. What I am projecting is that price is going to break out by Saturday morning. Price should be broken out Saturday morning. Let's go down a little bit more. And is that another flag in a flag? Oh yeah. What time frame is this? 2 hour? Yep. Breakout is imminent. Breakout is imminent. 5. Imminent breakout on 2 hour. All right, XTZ. I don't think I've talked about this XTZ USD on this channel. Ooh, that's looking good as well. That's looking real good. Now you see that reversal right there? That was a good reversal, and that was on the 16th of April. That was on the 16th of April. So if you would have got in on the 16th of April, you You would have been up 14%. Yep, 14% and what? What is that? 14. No, that was Saturday. You would have got in on this candle, and that was what? Was that 2 weeks ago? Yeah, that was 2 weeks ago. So in 2 weeks, you'd have made 14%. In probably about a month, you made 40%. And in 2 months, you made 50, almost 60%. All right. Let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. Yeah. So now H bar. H bar. What was that? Hedera or something like that? Yeah. So Hedera price action is looking for a breakout very soon. Breakout very soon. So possibly a breakout on Sunday. Possible breakout on Sunday. Ada, Cardano. Make sure it's Coinbase. Another. And looking like it's a 12-hour flag or pennant forming. Yeah. Boom. So potentially looking Monday the 19th. No, that's a bit much. That's a bit much. I'll say between Monday and Wednesday of in the next couple of days, you'll see a breakout. Between Monday and Wednesday, breakout. All right, all right. That's it for crypto. Let's bring it on. Let's bring it on down to stocks. Let's bring it on down to stocks, and these are all 3 days time frame. These are all 3 day time frames. Of course, how to trade time frames. Wait till price closes above the trend line. This looks like it was a double bottom right in here. This looks like a double bottom. Looks like a double bottom. Now, price can always, move back down. Price can always be rejected. It was rejected right here. So price can always be rejected. Maybe I should move that up a little bit like so. Yeah, so price can always be rejected. All right, oust. Oust, again on the 3 day. We have a little channel right here. So of course, we're just looking for price to break above this trend line. That's all we're looking for. That is all we are looking for. Let's try to make this a little cleaner. That's about the best I can do so right now. So, of course, just waiting till price close above trend line. All right, Tesla. It's looking like a double bottom right there as well. It's looking like a double bottom right here as well. Tesla actually broke out already. So in the next early next week, we should be looking for a entry. This looking like a flag that's going to form. Yes, it is forming now. Actually, it is forming now. This looks like a microphone. One of those microphone patterns. Yep. So again, once price cross over here on the 2 hour, if you were using this one, but yeah, just anytime. Well, and Tesla actually went up a couple of cents, about $1. Went up about $1, and some change. So yeah, it's looking like the next. It's looking like Monday, well Tuesday morning, you can be getting in Tesla. Tuesday morning, getting in. All right, SoFi or Sophie or however you wanna. Again, I mean, I just don't know. Flag. Um, this candle is above the 30-day EMA. Price has rejected this trend line multiple times already, 3 times so far. Yeah, we're just looking for a breakout at this point. Around Tuesday morning, it should be a good entry. Tuesday morning should be a good entry. All right. And that's about it for today. Again, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Always give me feedback. Feedback is greatly appreciated. And also, I will be linking the shorts to this video as well. So be on the lookout for that as well. The shorts is basically just quick signals. Say, hey, here's the trade right here, and boom. Yeah. So with that being said,